that winch cable, self-hook up. He said he don't need no co-pilot. He got this. It's going down today.
Everybody controversial.
Reid. I won't go last. Okay. I'll let Destiny pick mine.
Is she cute or is she tall? Is she short?
Fuck me,
Motherfucker! You got one number ones, dude.
Number 3.
What?
Fuck me.
I know my number 5. I got one.
Reid got 3. Bryan, what'd you get? 2.
Fuck you, Kevin. Let's make it fucking side by sides go first.
4. Yep, 4. Brent's selection of co-pilot there. Is that Jose? Jose's a good dude. He knows how to co-pilot. Okay, we're gonna see. Jose, you know how to co-pilot? You gotta work that winch. Man says he's ready to go, so I think we've got a good plan. This is about to be fun. Who's looking forward to seeing Trail Challenge today, man? This is what I'm talking about. This is one of my favorites. I'm eager to see how this goes. 3, 2, 1, let's go! Keep in mind, guys, they got one shot at this. They got to make that time count. Stay out there fast as they can through this mud, across those ruts. Making sure that co-pilot's holding on good. A little bit of water over there. It's not as deep as you think, but it is some water. Don't lose your co-pilot. Hammer out the backside and you're good to go. There we go, looking good, looking good. Brent about to take him out. Making time on the straightaway over there, doing a good job. He's about to come over on the soggy side of that slough. And this is where it gets interesting, guys. Got a little bit of water he's got to cross, and then the ledge. So far, so good, man. He's dipping down into the slough. We had the Traco out there playing yesterday. It was about 3.5 feet deep, maybe 4 feet. Good solid bottom though, so I think he's gonna be okay. Oh yeah, no factor. PATV build doing work. Never spun a tire. There he is coming up the ledge. Wouldn't it be crazy if Brent had talked Jose into going for the ride of his lifetime with a full send over this ledge? Maybe I'm kind of cynical, but that would be wild though. Jose, that'd be something you could tell your grandkids about, brother. All right, let's see how he's gonna tackle this. Pull up the ledge, they got the option to hop off. Got a little boggy there. Maybe a little more than boggy. Might want to go the high side on that one. Uh-oh. I think that tie rod might fold a little bit. Maybe that's an arm. Bet if he can hang a hard left, that ought to straighten up. I could be wrong though. There we go, got up on the high side, that dry ground. Get up here, square up with the ledge. Let's see what his tactic is here. There he goes, he's going for it. All he has to do, grab that winch cable, hook it onto the front. Give us some gas, Brent. We need a little bit of wheel speed there. There you go. Let that buggy do a little bit of work. Help that winch out. Crawl that hill just a little bit. There you go. That's what it's about. Yep, there you go. That's what we came to see right there, man. Co-pilot action. It's two guys working great together. They're gonna roll on through and break the beam. There you go. So we got a time on them. That's creative. I like it.
Guess we're about ready to go racing. We're going to cat him down over there. Sadie's got your green flag. Keep an eye on her. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Making it look easy. First hole, no problem.
Second hole. Bryan says it's a walk in the park. There we go, horsepower kicking in. Rolling in strong, coming into that third hole, nothing but water. Real easy. Not too boggy on that side over there, so it's an easy pass till he gets to that slough.
As soon as he drops down in that slough, though, it's a little deep. He's going to have to work for it. There we go. It's a little deep. Let's see what he does when he comes out. If he pulls it. No problem there. We saw Brent struggle a little bit in that goo. Let's see if Bryan goes wide or if he cuts it skinny. He decided to go ahead and cut it skinny, square up, go full send on that ledge. Maybe not. I think he might. Probably gonna winch. He said that's what I brought a co-pilot for.
All right, co-pilot, do your job. So far, I give him a C- on his job, but he's still showing up and he's there with us. My pro tip would be to go around, which you're allowed to. Your winch cable over there, making a sprint for it. Hook up to that front hook there. Working that winch in. Get Bryan, give it a little bit of gas. Work with that winch there, brother. Hey, Griffin, don't touch that winch rope, brother. Stand to the side. There we go. That's what it's about. Got to help it over. Teamwork, make the dream work. There we go. See if we can get him across the finish line here. Oh, hold on. We wrapped up. Got a time, though. Good job.
Here you go, guys. Y'all know the drill. Reid's about to throw down on a number. Gonna count him down. You watch Sadie over there, green flag. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Go full stand right here. Come open at some point. Do this right. So have a feeling.
Got that horsepower going. It's a brand new build, man. He did it out a couple times. Really well. All right, here we go. He's coming around across that slough.
So far, he's the fastest at this point yet. Making good time here, guys. Good time. See if he goes wide. Oh man, he's gonna go straight through the bog. Oh, let's see if he can hog it out. Pretty impressive right there. Got it done solo. What you know about that? What kind of winch we need? We don't need no winch.
He's good right there, which I won't leave him. We'll count him down. You watch Sadie over there, green flag. 3, 2, 1. Go. Get interesting, guys. Let's see what he does. Crazy man. Y'all wouldn't expect anything less than like LaFour. And looks like his buggy's still in good condition. He didn't totally grenade it. That is exceptionally impressive. So let's see if we can go ahead and get a damage assessment. What you got there? Everything's good?
Sure. I heard all kinds of shit making noise.
Little cracking and popping, but that's the sounds of a wind, though.
I never let off the gas, so.
Well, sir, you know what happens when you do that? You either grenade it or you win first place. So right now you are at 1 minute. So very fine job, sir. Good job.
Tony, you know the drill. We'll count you down on the green flag. 3, 2, 1. Let's go.
Standing it up on the back tires, that's where he lives his life, is on the lead tire. Here he is coming around, guys, wide open, about to dip into that slough. He is ahead of time. Boom! Tidal Wave City. No problem. Dipping out of that guy. See if he cuts it skinny or goes wide. I think it was definitely a smart move that he avoided the bog monster there. Squared up on that hill. Good dry ground. Let's see what he decides to do here. See what he's feeling. Oh no. Shifter dog said, see ya. Maybe that's a good excuse just to winch, I'm not sure. Go over that winch cable, self-hook up. He said he don't need no co-pilot, he got this. Oh, that's a slick ledge. Grab that winch cable, pull yourself back up, brother. I've seen you do it a few times, I know you can. There he is, got that dude hooked in. Let's see if he can safely get back up on his bike. This wincher will winch him over the top. A little bit of wheel speed, a little bit of winch power. That's where all the magic happens. For the record, Johnny, I think you totally could have cleared that, brother. There we go, got him in time, broke the beam, so good stuff. Decided to take the safe path, and I can't blame him, man, because he did half the course on the back tire, so ain't no telling how that could have gone down if he decided to gas it. So, good safe decision. We'll get a final time on him in a second.
Get him up there. Recovery, come on. Let's go. You good, Kevin? You okay? All right, we got recovery coming for you over there. Debate, Doc. Did he kill it in time? Kane says you didn't. Kane says you smacked the handlebar so hard you're on another planet.
What do you think about that, buddy?
Little carnage. Just a little blow dryer, you'll be good.
I busted tie rod too. Tie rod. It's a hard hit, what you mean?
Good to go. All right, cool. Daddy's on your right with the green flag. She's going to catch you down. You see that flag drop? You go. 3, 2, 1, go.
I smell a little nitrous on that one. Little bit of nitrous. Here we go. In the spray. Coming around. About to hit this slough wide open, guys. Almost in. See if you can pull that lift. Shouldn't be any problem for Bumblebee. There we go. Look at this thing. Get up on that wall. See what his tactic is. Run down that winch cable. Probably gonna have to let him some slack there, Dakota. See if he can be able to connect up. Sharp edge to see if he can get it connected up. Spotters, keep an eye on him here. He's hooked up. Get Mike up on there, get the thumbs up for him, and we'll take it over the top. There we go, he's got it, he's on the top. There we go. Mike has successfully completed the trail challenge. No carnage. Fine job, sir. Fine job.
That'll work, bro.
If you love XXX YouTube videos, but you just hate the ads, if you guys want to see the latest XXX YouTube content before all your buddies, if you want the best deals on the products and apparel that you guys love, then you need to be a XXX VIP. Just $19.95 a month, you get everything above, plus you get a distinguished XXX VIP pack. Just visit XXXmotorsports.com, get everything that you need right there.